Yo, after long time, people, what's up? I don't know who's watching. If anyone's watching, say hi. I guess no one is watching, so just like always, let's start where we left last time. We was working with Jarvis, if I remember correctly, and we was working around with the SQL injection there. So let's get back to the track. It's been a pretty tedious weeks. Like last 2-3 weeks were pretty tedious, so wasn't able to do the live properly. So let's go back. Okay, there we go. We was creating the notes. Let's get into the machine. Yep, fighting. It's been long since I last streamed. Was busy. Sudo open VPN. And I hope this will connect. Let's go to the machine. Okay. Over here. Jarvis. Oh, then welcome, sir. Welcome to the stream. Whoa. Exhausting. And it's hot. Okay, I guess we are connected. Yep, we are connected. So let's go to the directory. CD. Where was our place? HTTP? Sorry, in CTF it was HTTP. Jarvis. Machines. Jarvis. Clear ls. RM. Do you play in this season? Nope. Like I said, I was pretty busy, so didn't got the chance to like properly play this season. So maybe next season. But I'll be solving stuff from here too. That's why I'm grinding, right? That there is a part of that I want to pursue for the OSCP, and the same time I want to give exam for the CPTS, and there is another one that I would like to give. Let me check which one was it. CRTU. That's also pretty damn good. CRTU certification. Red Team Ops. This one. Expensive, but it is what it is. How much is it? 41,000. Yeah, but it is expensive. 180 lessons, 2 hours of video content. I don't wanna read stuff. I'm more of a practical guy. Let's see what other courses they have or exams they have. Active Directory, Persistence, Kubernetes, etc. Red Team Ops 2 certification. I guess I will take both. 0-point security. Flags and stuff. Tutorials. Videos of CEH. Like from where? Yeah, I am live? Yeah, sure, why not? I'm not taking anything relevant to the EC Council. What the hell I have to do with the EC Council? Doesn't make any sense. And this is nothing relevant to the EC Council. And I don't have a single thing related to CEH. That's a whole different side. And I don't even want to give the EC Council exam. Like total theoretical stuff. Not much understanding when someone trying to pursue the exam. So I didn't find it worth where I can put my nose. We don't want to restore anything. We will go to jarvis.htp http:// yep, I missed this season. The next I will play CRT or not now, bro. I think CPTS be good. It is a perspective more of like that is a permanent certificate where you don't have to renew it, so that's why I was looking toward the CRT also. We can give a shot though, but the problem is currently I don't have money for any of the certification, but when I'll have enough, why not? Then we can go for it. Maybe I'll drop some here too. Okay, so we was trying to tackle the SQL injection. As we can see, we was able to perform the union-based injection. Now, the problem is how we can proceed further with the union-based injection. And for that, let's pull almighty Google and see union-based injection to read data. Let's see. We are not looking for a cheat sheet, but if there is a good one, why not? Why should I put my nose creating complex queries? Categories, select username password from the user. I don't know if this will work. The problem is we are able to read the data. If you'll see here, we are able to get some stuff, but the problem is that we are not able to list out everything that's mentioned in the table of the SQL. And on the other hand, we are not able to use the SQL map, and that's also good because that way we will have more of a more grasp toward the SQL manually, rather we are relying on a tool. So here we are in the booking. Here we'll go. We was using like 10 was the range from 1 to 10, and union select. What you're trying to select is a certain range of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has total count of 7. And here we finish query finished here, and with the space we put in the comment. Let's see if it is still working. Yep, it is still working. We got the table. As I shown in the last stream, we are representing some certain columns here, or rather columns. It's columns and rows both. The star one represents the rating, and it's the 5th column over here. The double room, that's the title. 2nd column, and the price is the 3rd column, and the description is the 4th column here. So if we will change anything in here, if I'll do ID set here, it's gonna change the relative data in the column 2. It seems I use the wrong variable. If I'll use user now, we should get, yeah, we are getting our output here, but I don't think we'll be able to read it, and we're not. Okay, so now the problem is how we can read a certain range data using the union. Over here, a union based injection to print whole table to read data. I don't think this will be holding, but there is nothing wrong. Trying something right. So here's a repeater, some twinkling here. Null, select this, and our injected string determine the data. Select version. We can get the version just by adding the version here. For example, if I will add the version over the column 3, this is going to show the version here. Yep, here's the version. It is using the MariaDB 10.1.48. And what next we are looking for? Murdoch. We wanted to print the whole structure there. From information schema.table. Okay, so this is how the query will look like. Okay, let's try this. Over here it finished. From information schema.table, we are going to print the table name. Let's print it over the 5th, the first one. It's gonna be the table underscore name, I hope. Press enter, and we should get the table name. Yep, we got the table name. That's a room. Now what we need is, we don't need to URL encode anything. Okay, it is printing the whole table here, but we're not getting everything out of it, right? What we want is if it can print the whole table here. So if I will remove this, will it be able to? Nope. What should we do? Let's check here. Union based. Determine the number. I guess we have to form some sort of query. So what are the prerequisite before coming to OSCP? Please forgive me if I ask dumb question. I am a beginner. Like I always say, dumb question or like question is a question. It doesn't matter if it's a dumb or whatever. It's just people need courage to ask the question. What the hell is the solution? So prerequisites would be you should be known with the technology that you're trying to work with. Either you learn while you're doing or you should be known with that. So these are the two things. I don't think there is any big prerequisites for the OSCP, although I cannot say much on this. I haven't given the exam yet, but for now, if you're giving any sort of exam, you should be known with the certain uh, content that you're going to perform there, right? For example, if you are going to give the AWS exam, you should know what the AWS is, what sort of technology it uses, what sort of different categories it has, like yada yada, pretty long list. So same is for the OSCP. You should be known with the Kali Linux. You should be known, not the Kali Linux specifically, you should be known with the Linux. You should be known with the Windows system, its architecture. You should know how the web environment works, how you should know how the network system works, and a good hacker mindset. A destructive one, if you're not a defender, then yeah, a destructive one would do. But even when you will have a destructive mindset, you still need to put a full stop till what extent you wanna destroy something. It's not like you wanna take down a whole environment or network. Everyone should know their limit and they should put like hold on their limits, I would say. Okay, nothing much here. So we have already bypassed this. What we're gonna do, SQL queries, finding a way to find in a column type. Not much of a help. How are we gonna list the more data here? There we have version, union select version. So much version. It's a MariaDB. MARIA DB injections. MariaDB knowledge base, this union. Select as name from a John as email. Select password from this, where this is this. But that still won't make any sense because we need to list out What sort of other tables are there? Hmm. What can be done here? What? First, I think uh, how to print long data in MySQL. Variable characters, SQL injection. Get request string. Insert into customer. We need a like certain way which we can get more data in one go. Let's check here if we can find it there. That would be good. It was payload of all things, SQL injection, union based injection, product ID, username. It is a MariaDB, and MariaDB is part of MySQL, or it's a MS SQL. I don't remember. Let's see if we can get anything from here. Union based. We have already passed the null one, so that doesn't. Group concate. Oh, there we go. Extract data with information schema. I think we will be able to use this one to extract more relevant data. Okay, let's try this. We are performing the action here with the user. So which one we still have free? It's the fourth one. Let's try group underscore concate braces, and in the braces should we put what we are querying here? Tables. Table name underscore name. Let's see. Oh, and there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Finally, we have a way to pull a large size data here. Okay, so let's take a screenshot of this so we don't miss on it. And over here, this is the result using this function. And what does it say? It worked. We got this. Let's replace column with a function query we want to entertain and fetch us the data we require. So we try to pull the data in the long string as we were struggling with the data reading, because we were only getting the one variable in the output, but after checking around on Google and on then on, where did we check it? It was the payload of all things. And then on payload of all things, we got to know that we can use the function. What was the function? It was a group concat, group underscore concat, right? Group concat. What we will add there is what we are trying to call to get the large string in one go. Okay, so with this we have what we was looking for, and now we can see the data more cleaner in a cleaner way. And let's go to the previous request so we can show that as a comparison over here. Now that we have the data we are looking for, let's fetch more data so we can dig down on the username and password to connect. Okay, so as such, let's try using the curl here. Paste, enter. Okay, it's not gonna work. Single quote, press enter, and it didn't give any response. Double quote. It's still behaving in the same way. Escape. And this is not gonna work. Okay, we cannot use a curl here. It is gonna be the HTTP. So, okay, next page. I guess we can go to the view page source to get data in a more cleaner way, I guess, or maybe not. This is a pretty damn big string here. All the way up, word wrap. SQL paste. Below are the tables we have got in the output. And only the room is looking different and worth. And I hope I'm audible. Now let's dig more deep. Okay, so we're able to call the table name. We can remove it from here, which is the 5th, comma. Remove the username, which is on the 2nd, and the version over the 3rd. Okay, so next we are going to call the list in the rooms, and in the room it is going to be the column, I guess. No, it's not a column, it's a room. So what is it? First we look for the table. What did we look for? We look for the tables, and if I look for the table back, and in here table name, no, we won't. Let's go back here and table schema placeholder, then the table name. Okay, yosh. Table schema, from table I think we have it till here, right? I'll call it again. Same data, nothing change. Yeah, nothing changed. So this time we just need to tables where table underscore schema is equal to room and we will call for the columns here, column underscore name, press enter, and we should get the column name. Okay, This query didn't work, I guess. Otherwise it should have been over here. This query didn't work because I have written something wrong. Okay, we already have the table name, but we are looking for columns. So it should be columns, columns. Press enter. We got the columns. No, we didn't got the columns. Let's go back to the obsidian, paste it here. We're trying to fetch stuff from here. We will copy this, go here, from where is this? Paste, press enter. Automatic. After the room, we got the table name room here. But what are we missing now? We got the table name room. Okay, COLOUM columns, because you're looking for a column name from where in the table room. Are you still doing something wrong here? Let's see if this time anything changes. Okay, nothing changed. Everything remained the same. That means we are making some mistake in the query that we are sending. Can you guys guess what wrong I'm doing here? So I can reflect on that. Schema. Let's copy this. Get in here. Paste. We are going for a union select everything's name. Then this. We are not looking for the specific. Okay, let's paste this. Column information schema. Copy paste. Everything same. Now where table name is equal to the table we got was the room, right? As you can see, it's a room here. I don't see any other table that look totally different. So I believe it is this one. So if I will remove this along with this from information where this is this. And we are calling it over the fourth place over here, comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, right? After that we are ending this and commenting out the extra stuff. So now we have the whole union command here. Paste it like this, copy it, go here, paste it, and press enter. Read it. Still nothing. Totally empty. Let's remove this. Press enter. Over here something, no. And if I will do this, nothing particular. Exit from here, nothing. What is it that we are not doing right? Jarvis, room, select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 7. We have got everything. We didn't miss anything here. So what are we missing? Group concate. It's same. Column name. That's also same. It's asking for till 7 from information schema columns, where table name is equal to room. Do we need to give one more comment? I don't know. Maybe. No. So what the hell are we doing wrong here? From information schema table, where table name is this. I'm not getting it. I think the spelling mistake, but that's not a problem. Let's see if I will change this, send it. No impact. Let's change from capital to small from. No impact. Group concate, union select. Let's write it from the scratch. Union select. We are selecting from 1 to 7, where we are calling the concate function, which will be containing the column names from a certain table. There it is going to call the from, but from information underscore schema, where table underscore name is equal to room. I don't know if this will work, but putting a faith. No. Group underscore concat. This query itself is not working. And wow, why is it not working? Cause for the first portion it did work. Schema. Okay, let's try a step by step if this works. Let's just copy everything, go here, paste it, clean up a bit, remove this, remove this. Okay, so now we are starting with the fourth place. So this is the range of string we are working with, right? Okay, so if I will try this first, cause we have nothing to lose, press enter. It retrieved nothing. Understood. So now for the first one, it should be looking for a schema name. For the second one, it should be looking for a table. Give me a second, I'll check your message. We have given the table name. We will copy this, go over here to damn place, paste, pull Kishua stuff. We are with you, keep it up and explain in necessary areas. Sure. But first, I also need to understand what the hell is going on here, because when I'm trying to perform a union, which is basically performing an add-on after a certain query, but it is working when I'm pulling out the schema name, but it's not working when I'm trying to pull out the column from there. So now that we have this hotel here, which is going to be the table, if I will copy this, go till here, paste this, press enter, and there we go. This is where it broke down. Is it because of this? Okay. Understandable. So if I will do this now, copy, paste, press enter. Anything good? Anything good? Anything good? This worked. So it was leaving this as a string instead of taking it as an argument for the table name. Understood. Whoa. See, just a small thing can make a small video last for 10-20 more minutes. So what we did, we was working with the same query, and we just had to provide it either single quotes or double quotes so it can make it understand itself that this is the argument that it need to work with. So when we provided that, we got some extra stuff and some cheesy stuff which we are going to serve. And this is a cheesy stuff that I was talking about. So over here we provided this. Now that we have the table, we have the schema and stuff. Let's go with this. I guess we can work with everything here. First, we got this, and using this, we pulled out the schema, string concate, etc. View page source. There is a pain in my heart. Ouch. Stop it, bro. Ouch. Ooh. Okay, it's gone. Now back to the stuff. We got multiple schemas here. Paste it. Now the next we try to pull out the other stuff. And for this, I'm not gonna leave it like this. So copy, paste. So we can understand what the hell is going on here. Right? Okay. It is SQL, so we can do it like this. Comment out. Next, we did call the data. So you will call this one as an SQL2. And from that data, we got this as an output. But what was the content we used there? Oh, we didn't add. Okay, it's there, union select. So we used this one, I believe, the column one. No, it's a table name. Table name, we paste it here. It's a hotel. Copy this. Paste it here. Go all the way back. Copy it again. And paste. Press enter. Now we will get more cleaner output. Okay, I guess we messed up again because of comment, I believe. It is not because of comment. I guess we are still missing something here. it's just giving us the room, which is not the correct output that we're looking for. It's a table. No. Okay, so in the relevancy of the hotel, we got the output as a room. Understood. So this all is irrelevant till here. That's the output. And if I don't give a comment, just let it be, and we got the room as an output. And I guess we got the same here. Yep. Before hotel, the schema one. Where the hell is the schema? Copy this, paste it here. Pretty cool. Now we're looking for the next stuff. We got this one. And add this here. We can, and only room is looking different. And we got the room as an output in reference to the table hotel. Now let's check that. Okay, so schema this, we are done. Next we are probably going to work with this, which is going to be the room, and we're going to put it into single quote so we don't mess up again or break the query again because of that. I think this is not a problem here for some reason, but we will still keep it in case of anything messed up. We will copy this column name. We have a room, and till here, paste, press enter, and we got COD name, price, description, star image, mini. Okay, this is the output of this. Remove the source code, add the double comment, and this is output. Now what we need to do is get the names, I believe, cause this doesn't seem anything or like even a little bit of informational in any manner. And how much time is it since we are live? It's almost 1 hour. Pretty good. You guys are able to understand, whoever is watching, or maybe it will make sense after some time. We didn't go, okay. We got the data. related to the prices and related to the room which they are selling. What we need is actually spelling wrong. What we need actually is what the hell do we need? A username and password. Let's check into the other schema. We have okay, what's the other schema do we have? We have the hotel, we have information schema, we have MySQL. Let's check the MySQL schema and see what we'll get from there. SQL, or we say HTTP, press enter. Okay, this time the query will change. We will copy this or just copy this. We already have the schema, so we will copy this one, paste here, and table name hotel. It is going to be MySQL, and we will copy this. Go here, paste, print, and finger cross. We got some new stuff, baby. View page source and word wrap. Boom. And we got the good stuff this time. And over here we gonna check the other schema, which is MySQL. Checking the schema hotel. Okay, this looks good. Now we have more relevant information which we can use. And if you see in the last, we have user mentioned in there. So let's call the user data. user columns. Column data. Okay, so for this, we going to need this one, column name from information schema, like this. I don't think it is going to be the column name, cause that would be different, right? So instead of table name, I think it's, let's check the table name user and put the comment here. And what we need is this. Paste here. Copy everything. And paste. Press enter. Let's see what we get this time. Nothing. We sent the broken data. Did we? As we are looking for columns, so I guess we need to change this over here and here too. Maybe S columns. Add one more S. Now press enter. Yep. Something is not right. Whoa. Table name room, column name this. Column name user. It is correct. Extended branch of this. What the hell we are doing wrong here? Yo, chat. Someone watching? Tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong here. We have given the string and stuff correctly. We have called it correctly. We have column here. We calling data. Do we need to add that data? Is which okay, no, not a data, column name, five, 2, 3. Whoa, again I'm doing something wrong. Columns where the table name is something. What the hell I'm doing wrong? Select. We have given the range from information schema.column. Information schema.columns where table schema is equal to user. Where table schema is equal to user. Where, damn it. This is what I was doing wrong. Table name is equal to user. Dang it. So we got this one correct because he was looking for a table name, and we got the table name next. Sometime common sense just went for a walk or go for a walk. Table name. Now we should. We got it. Now the good stuff is we have this in the notes, and later on we can use it easily. Got my point? Okay, so here what we have the host, we have the user password, and some other stuff. Now if I will call everything in a one go, can we do that or not? Now that's the question, right? So if I will check this, it says this query aims to retrieve data from a specific table. So if I will change the column name with the data, press enter, it should print out everything in there, and it didn't. From okay, extract column name without information schema. Extract data without column name. We don't want anything error based. We got it working, and union select. This much is working, and I think we need to continue using our own query here. For example, select asterisk from db.user. I guess this. And if I will go with this, it also does the same. Select asterisk from the user. Union. But how far do we need to clean it after this? Let's go there. So if I will copy this, paste it here, and here we go. We got the tables, we have, sorry, the columns. We have an table user. Now let's try read the user and password from here. Which is going to be a hard part. From where column name is equal to user and data. I don't think this is going to work, but who knows. Yep, it didn't work. So instead of the data column, after that rows, I don't think this is the one that gonna do the job. Select user and password. Select asterisk from db dot users. Union select asterisk from this is this. We can select data like this also, correct? So let's see if what I'm thinking is worth thinking or not. So as per this, it says the data, but we don't, or we are not able to pull anything from there. So if I will go with the SQL syntax, if I will start union select, we're trying to print out something, so we will go like this. Over here, what we have in the table, we have user comma, okay, let's do it in a proper way. For what is getting called first? Oh yeah, it's the fifth column, then second column, right? So we'll call fifth and second. In the second, we are going to call the password. Fourth, fifth, it's user. Sixth and seventh, cut this. Second here. Fourth is going to remain same. We have till 7 union select password and user from MySQL. That, yes, it's a MySQL where table is user, where I think underscore table name is user, I guess so, which could be pretty damn wrong. we're from db.users. Column ID cannot be null. Data, we're db.user. Okay, let's try this. MySQL dot user. Just a little bit brainstorming and we got it. Although it wasn't a little bit, it was too much of a brainstorming. Almost got myself brain dead. Just for someone else help, we will add the comment. Now we have the DB admin, and with that we have the password, which is into base 64, I guess. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It is more than 32 words, so this must be some another weird encryption or hashing or encoding. I don't know what the hell is this. So for now, we successfully able to pull out the username and password, for which we were struggling. Ouch, my back. I think using the same manner, we can also call the we can also call damn it, I'm forgetting something. We can also call the files, or we can try to read the files from this machine. Okay, so let's go all the way up. What sort of stuff we have? We have port 22, we have port 80, we have port 464900. So far we still haven't got the foothold, so now from here the foothold starts. Cause we are at a point where we got some information, and with using that information we are going to elevate our paths to the towards the user access. So here we go. HTTP. Now here's the thing why I use the mysql.user. If you see over here, it says select asterisk from db.user, where it again starting the union select limit, right? So I just thought, if I'm calling some stuff from here, and either way we are using the from here, right? What will happen if I will just specify the user, sorry, database name and the user? And when I did that, we successfully got the username and password, which we was continuously looking for. And I'm gonna copy this over here, remove this, and put it here, remove unwanted stuff, and we got the username and password. Now let's try using the SSH. Okay, now let's find out. Okay, rather as we can see, it's hashed. We can try figure out what type of hash it is, or we can directly go to the crack station and see if we can get the password from there in plain text. Figure it out. And here we're gonna add the table, which will contain username, password, hash, and the actual password. So we have the username here, we have the hash here. I just hope we don't need this asterisk sign for whatsoever reason. So we go to the crack station and we can close all the unwanted stuff that we don't need. Paste here, click here. It's looking for the, okay, gonna provide few more here. One more. Okay, verify, crack. I miss you. I miss you too. I miss you. Yo-ho. We got good stuff. And crack station was good. And we got the hash. And we got the password in clean text. Let's see if it will. Okay, it did. Nice. And the password is I miss you. I miss you too. Yoo-hoo. Okay. Now let's try use this username and password to get the access of SSH. Get the shell using SSH user. SH, if I'll go here, we have some good stuff. So if I will do SSH hyphen, we don't need the hyphen I, so we will go for Jarvis at the rate. Okay, it's not a Jarvis .htp, and it's a db admin at, press enter, copy the password, fingerprint, yes, and paste the password, press enter, and failed. We failed. db admin. New problem, guys. We cannot use this to get in there. Okay. Which successfully didn't work. Okay, so what you're missing here? You got the username and password. Let's see what potential SQL injection. Some weird stuff. Anything we are missing that we didn't check earlier or something? Jarvis, this server status. Copy, paste. What a waste. Footer, JS. Oh, we have PHP my admin. And here I totally forgot we also have PHP my admin, because of which this all started. Which can be seen in the buff scan output here. Let's visit that and see if these creds works there. PHP your admin. Okay, so let's visit this PHP my admin. Let's see if there is any new anime we have got in the race. Task card. We can close the crack station, and this has been seen. Nothing new. We can close, hide it, and damn. Now let's go. We're gonna add this here. And I miss you. Oh. Here. Then press some weird stuff. Which is yeah. 1, 2, then 3. Copy this. Whoa. And guess what? We are in. Now, the good part is that we are not utilizing any sort of write-up right now. So far, we reached without using any damn write-up. How cool is that? Yo, how cool is that? 1 hour, 40 minutes, and it's almost what time it is? 11. Oh, here. 11:10 here. So let's see. MySQL tables in the user. We got our username and password. Now let's check what version is this. We will use console. In console, we will press version. Okay. Okay. It didn't work. Damn it. Press Control Enter to execute the query, but it's not letting me. Show privilege. No. Select from function version. I don't think this is syntax error. Whoa, totally dumb. I totally forgot how to use this damn thing. Locally host server. Oh, there we have the information right here. Why the hell I'm doing the noob stuff? Capture till here. Apache version. MySQL dev. It's released in 2015 04 17th. It's in April release. This is a PHP version that we are currently working with. This is a pretty good handful of information if you look at properly. With pretty handful information. We got the version of PHP and DB, which we can utilize to get the access. Let's see if this has any sort of vulnerability which we might be able to use. So over here we have this. I guess I won't be getting anything though, but search exploit, paste, press this. No. MySQL, searching MySQL. Okay, it did got some stuff. Zero 0.12 privilege escalation. Do we have anything in the PHP? And the version is 7.0.33. Press enter. I don't think there is anything, but maybe. It's taking pretty good. Okay. New PHP tube. GC disable function bypass. We have debug backtrace, disable function bypass, PHP nuke, top module, SQL injection. What we need is if we can somehow get in there and get the RCE. Let's see if there is anything to import. I think we can use this gzip method to upload the file and access that file to execute, and that will give us the power to from the RCE. Let's see if there is anything else we can do over here. The RCE, do we have anything relevant to the SQL? SQL 3, no, not this one. MySQL, no. Payload of all thing. MySQL. Do we have anything relevant to the RCE here? Remote code execution. Find RCE. Nope. MySQL RCE command. We are using MySQL, so we will be using UDF. So MS SQL, this SQLite. This, I don't think. We got pretty good amount of errors, which I don't like. Copy this, paste, press enter. Who am I? We got another error. Because no, thank you. Postgres. Not the MySQL one that we're looking for. Let's see. Open, refine, database, base 64, hacked. MySQL interactive executing OS command through MySQL. This my work, this or this. And we can also check over these places. MySQL, press enter. Yeah, over here and here to MySQL. RC. No problem, just look for that. Connect command. MySQL. Here we have the MySQL, show databases and stuff. Remote. User DB, some other stuff, insert value. Set role command. Okay, here we got some good stuff. Set email. We can inject the OS command to common value email address. Depending on situation, we may be able to execute arbitrary command injection. I don't think this is gonna work, but who knows. Our IP must be something like clear. IP add, press enter. We have the IP address 16.2. 16.2 9001. Copy this. Update example DB user. I don't think there is anything like that. Paste. Netcat -lnvp 9001. Press enter. Okay, it didn't found anything related to that. Does not exist. I knew it. So update example DB. MySQL. Let's say the table mysql.user does not exist, but it is there. It is user, not the users. Understandable, my mistake. Press enter. It is updating it. Okay, now it is. Now it says unknown column name is where class. Okay, so many problems. What other name we have? Where name like admin. Okay, we will add new entry. Create, refresh, explain, edit. Okay. Set host value user is equal to temp. Password value is temp2. We're gonna clean everything else. Space, host, nothing. Format it. And go. You got an error. It says single quote, single quote, single quote, single quote. Go. User. Okay, don't tell me we have messed up something. And just because of that, we have to... Damn. We got a new username and password, which is a temp. Oh, new. Temp. Okay. Control enter. Name is where clause. Where user. Yeah. Unknown column. Email in the field. It should be default role. Set default underscore role to this. Paste. Press enter. We got something updated. And if we will go to the user, we have the stuff here. Copy, paste. Press enter. I don't know why it is not working. Executed. We didn't got anything in revert, which is bad. Very, very bad. Pen test. Something like this should work. System command. Whoa, 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 whoa. System. Who am I? Nothing relevant. Pretty boring. Dead meat. I become a killer. Okay, so far we have a beef with this. We gave pretty much everything. Do we have something relevant in here? Let's find my SQL. Ouch, my nose. Command injection, ground hold privilege, and etc. Okay, we have pretty good amount of commands here. Let's see if we have anything related to RCE. RCE, 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 RCE. Yo, 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 yo. Select a version. It's not giving the output. Okay, here we have something good listed. 10.10.16.2. The port number is 9001. Okay, we can use this. Create a function, reverse, return, and much stuff. And it is giving an error for some good reason. Okay, and what's this error is actually? And return keyword as expected. Select near here. Okay, let's first we are creating the function. Okay, I guess it has a problem with this function. A return keyword was expected. Oh, here. Not here. Not here too. What do we have? Create reverse function, return string. So name this. Select reverse shell, return string. Yo. Let's see if function is gonna be the reverse shell. This. We cannot use a hyphen. Create function reverse. Returns strings. So name, whatever this library is, library MySQL fun system, close. This itself is a broken one, so it won't be working. Keyword was the returns keyword was expected. RETU returns. What the hell? RETURNS. RETURNS. Like this. What the hell is this? I'm putting what you're asking, man. This has gone crazy. Return. Okay, let's see if we can find the RC on a Google. That's faster way. Okay. Connection remove, etc. Close the SOS command injection, echo, whatever. Load this, that. Your IP goes here. Pikachu. This didn't work. So select echo this instead of we can try that too. Anything else? A good one that we can try. Okay. Damn it. Box just got ruined. Just realize that they are working on the same thing. I guess it's a box. Database name, etc. Over here, there is a hotel and stuff. Or maybe someone has used this as a reference to create this box. Maybe. Okay, so let's see if what he said or did is correct. Over here, we will go to the SQL, clear, go all the way down. Here we're gonna perform select, double quotes, start the PHP, question mark. Over here, we will call the system PHP function. Then in this function, we will call, let's see, PHP, not the CMD. We want to call the system here. Where the hell is that? The system one. This one? No. Yeah, here. The system, and which is wrapped in there. We're doing good. And in the system, we will go for 16.2 all the way up till here. It's the bin bash. Copy this, paste it here with the single quote, and single quote, maybe it will give a problem. We will have to put it in double bash if it has to work, I guess. Or maybe it will work without that. Who knows? Question mark, close, double quote. Okay. Okie dokie. I totally forgot to put this. Oh, we shouldn't be closing from there. I get it. And I'm sleepy. Okay. You mean we just need to do this much only? And we have our stuff running over here. And if I will click on go, we didn't got the reverse shell. If config, it's 16.2, so what's wrong here? Okay, it did execute. Maybe we need to do what I just said. Copy this, edit. Okay, we can just edit it. Bash -c double quote and double quote, one single quote. Like this. Go. Again, we didn't got anything. I remember I have done it before. So we will go to the question mark PHP or PHP question mark, something like that, right? No, it's a question mark PHP space system double quote double quote. Start this hospital. Yeah, we are using the system, this one, but we don't want to use this network. Then Hive. Again, the same thing we used. No, 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 no. This time we used the different value. No, we again use the bin bash. We couldn't call the stuff postman trick. Oh, there we go. We can use this trick. Over here there should be, oh yeah, we can just go here, base 64, copy this, get here, edit, we will move everything else. It's echo, paste, space, pipe, base 64, -d, pipe, bash, go, and will it work? Or do we need to call the query? I think most of the time we used the same stuff, which is this itself. Write a file on the server, write a web shell or other malicious stuff. Load data from remote server, this. I don't think we will be able to run this. Console. Okay. Nothing worked from here, so the only thing remains is we can just write a file there that can help us perform some command injections or like commands there itself. So we will go for the PHP CMD, CMD2, the small CMD, this one. Copy. And here we go, paste it. Instead of like this, it is going to be like this. So it is select double quote, put it as a PHP, so it doesn't require the mention of PHP, I guess, but still we will give it SYSTM braces finish here, space, double quotes, 0xDTC. We will give it our own name, so when we will press 0xDTC is equal to something, it will execute using that. So here we go into out file. Out file is going to be we don't know the path, so do we have any other vulnerability using which we can identify which path? Oh, I am getting sleepy. And it's almost 2.5 hours. We got some good stuff here, so now the problem is how we gonna identify where the hell is actually the path. I'm not able to understand if I will go like this slash, not here but in here, slash var slash // slash Jarvis slash cmd.php. Copy this, clear below, drop the console and go. Okay, it says that we can't create right in this directory. That means we have identified the right directory. Very good. Let's see what other directory we have the access to. We have access to the, can we rewrite this file? Connection.php. We don't have the permission again. Into the fonts slash cmd. We don't have the permission to write anywhere within this scope. It says php my admin cmd.php. Okay, we cannot write here too. Team example. We cannot write it. If I will just drop it like this, we won't get anything. Okay, I guess today we have given way too much time for this problem. Though we have made a pretty good amount of progress, we got the username and password. We are in the phpMyAdmin. Now there are 2-3 things that I can understand. The first one is if we can create PHP code here. Submit query. That either we can use this to perform the RCE, and the second one is we can try and perform the MySQL injection in other way, which is using the same method we got the username and password directly from the outside without getting in here. So like these are the two paths that I can see, and with that we will try that tomorrow. If required, we will jump to the what the hell is that? I'm forgetting. Or the write up. So if needed, we will check and write up, else we are good, and let's keep making progress. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great day. If you're in the same zone as me, have a great rest of your night. If you're in another zone, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy it your fullest. Days never come back. So with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. New here, subscribe. Older one, like, share, comment if there is something that you're not able to understand, or anything relevant that you need to listen or understand. Comment that. And with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy. Bye bye.